Welcome back, year ones. It is Friday. Get your English activity pack out and open up on Friday. So, for our first Friday activity, year one, remember that adverbs are describing words, so they help describe verbs, okay? And other word types, okay? Like sleep, right? Sleep is a verb, so how did she sleep? Or we can say how she slept peacefully, okay? So for this activity, just write down an adverb, okay? Write the verb plus an adverb, okay? In the empty spaces next to the word. For instance, your verb was shouting. How was she shouting? She was shouting loudly, okay? She was shouting aggressively. Okay, that's what you do for this activity. Then for the next activity, year ones, all you have to do is sort the words and write them in the correct box. We've got adjectives in this column and all adverbs need to go in this column. Okay, so in this activity we are looking at adjectives and adverbs. So all your adjectives you write in here and all your adverbs you write in there. Then we move on to your maths. So please get your maths activity pack out and open up on Friday. Okay, so for today's Maths Year 1, we've got easy peasy lemon squeezy subtraction sums, okay? These are only up to a combination of 10. Okay, so please write the answers down to these sums. And then you've got some more subtraction sums. Remember to subtract starting from the back. Okay, so for this first one, it's 7 minus 2. And you write your answer in there. And 8 minus 4. And you write your answer in this box. Your answers should always go underneath each other. Then we move on to Friday science. Get your science out and open up on Friday. So for today's activity, year ones, we are finishing off with our 5 senses. All you have to do is look at the pictures, okay, in each row, and then draw a picture in the box that shows you which sense you would use. Okay, so which sense would you use for a garbage bin, a rose, and barbecue? If you think eyes, you'll draw eyes. Okay, here you've got a picture of eyes. If you think you'll taste it, you'll draw a tongue. You see that you have a picture of a tongue. And if you think hands, you'll draw a picture of hands. And if it's hearing, you'll draw a picture of an ear. Or if it's smelling the garbage, the rose, and smelling the barbecue, you will draw a picture of a nose. And here you've got a picture of the nose. So that is all you have to do for science year 1. And I hope that you have a lovely weekend and get enough rest.